Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Accessible Computing YouTube channel, Accessible Computing, a new world of accessibility. This is a quick video for you. Friends, we have launched our new training program called On Request Training Program. Till now we are providing some courses. We are providing training on, we are providing personal coaching on computer literacy expert, code wave or audio editing, HTML, and we're going to start our new course like WordPress also. But we understand that except this you also need another more assistance. For example, you are reading or you are preparing yourself for competitive exam. You need spoken English. You are preparing for your competitive exam, you need other like maths or any other, or you know Word, you know PowerPoint, you just want to learn Excel, Microsoft Excel. But till now you can't do this with us. But friends, from today onwards you can request any subject, any training, and based on your request we will try to find you the best solution. So this is our new initiative for you only, and we are going to launch this. We have launched this initiative in early stage, so you can try, you can just fill up, you can just send your request, and this is only for our Indian viewers first time. If we get best results, then definitely we will expand this across the globe. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply this and what is this program in details. So without further delay, let's get started. I have already opened my Brave browser, and here I have logged in our website, which is accessiblecomputing.apizY.com. The link can be found in our description as well as the first comment of this video. So after clicking on this link, you will visit our website, and in our website if you press H,
banner landmark accessible computing heading level home heading level 2,
home again,
main landmark home heading level 2,
again,
notice board heading level 1.
So notice board. So under notice board you will get this link, like if I press down it once,
visited link on request training program new,
on request training program new. So from here you can go, or otherwise what you can do is you can just click on
heading level 2 home,
just go
skip
top
banner
and
land
just
heading
click
level 2,
on
main heading level 1, notice board heading prime link link refer under link courses,
just click on courses, and if you click on courses, and there you will find the link, because in the notice board link will be changed. I mean in the notice board you will get the updated information.
no next graphic,
Okay.
accessible computing home heading level 2,
So
main
notice
land
board.
heading level 1, notice board,
So for now I am just not going for
Heading level 2
notice board. I'm just
skip
going
link
to
banner landmark
courses.
heading primary out of link out of button insert list with set link about us link contact link courses,
So I'm just clicking courses.
academy
So after
accessible
clicking on courses, I'm just pressing K.
skip to main content, skip to footer, banner landmark primary about us link, course refer join us link, privacy accessible main landmark computer literacy expert,
Computer
from
literacy expert,
HTML foundation,
HTML
begin your
foundation,
on request training new visited link,
on request training. So I'm just pressing enter on it to open this page.
on request training accessible computing
So
document,
on request training program page is open. So now here I'm just reading
banner
what's
landmark
there.
main landmark heading level accessible about the program heading level personalized training experience,
Okay, so first
heading level
introduction. This is the introduction. You can
1.
read.
Accessible computing is renowned for its customized online private coaching for computer and digital literacy, incorporating screen readers and accessibility to explore its commitment on request training.
Okay, so how you can apply, I'm just going to show you. Just press H.
About the program, no next how it works heading level 2.
How it works here, you can get the total details,
Your
step by
program
step
follows a
process.
structured process list with to initiate the crucial eligibility criteria heading
Eligibility
level 2.
criteria?
List with 4 items: greater Indian citizenship. The program black square English and Hindi understand black square speak and beneficial black square speak black greater Indian black and how to
Okay,
register
so
heading
now
level 3.
how to register?
We always keep the registration content info landmark
see,
footer
here
link
is the
link
form.
heading level main landmark frame list with 14 items agreement star heading required question level 3 training description star heading required question.
So see, here's the form. So if you press E,
Banner main landmark frame list with 14 items, your email address edit required.
your email address, first you need to give your email address, then
First name required question
you
edit
need to
required.
give your first email, first name,
Middle name, if any,
middle
edit.
name,
Last name required question edit required.
last name,
Contact number required question
contact
edit
number,
required. WhatsApp number required
WhatsApp
question group
number,
numbers, current age required question
current
edit
age,
current profession required
current
question
profession,
communication and training language
communication and training language?
Training subject required. Question edit required.
So what is the subject of your training and
description required.
training
Question
description?
Edit. No next edit fee out of edit. Heading level 3 star. List
Okay.
with 1 items. Checkbox not checked. I agree to pay the
See,
specified amount for
this
the
is the
training
checkbox
slash
which you have to
consultancy
check,
services as per the
and
policy
then
of the checkbox not I agree to pay the academy adult out of list out button. Click button submit.
Click on submit button. Once you click on submit button, you will see the confirmation message, and our team will contact you very soon with further details. So see, we are always trying to serve you better. We are always trying to give you the new ways of learnings. You just need to help us to spread the word. So what you need to do is just share this video with anyone, with others, and also share our website with others, and follow our website every day, especially in the notice board, because new things will come soon. This is for today. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Thank you everyone for staying with us till the end. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.